Good morning all of you. How are you? Hope all you are very well. Today we will start chapter 3, enhancing the look of the document, book exercise at the back. So let's begin. All of you open chapter 3, enhancing the look of the document, page number 26, exercise time. Before starting exercise, all you must have a recap of this chapter. In this chapter, you learned how to format the text like font type, font style, font size and font color. How will you beautify your text using MS Word features, and how to align the text according to the margins. There are 4 types of alignment: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justified alignment. And next one is creating numbered list and bulleted list. So it's all about the chapter. Now we come to the exercise time, part A. In this section, you have to choose the correct answer from the given options. There are 4 options given and you will find only the right one in this video. So just make a tick in your exercise at the back of the book, or you can do it in your notebook also. So first question is: the processing of making typed text look well arranged and interesting is called. The right answer is B, formatting. Next is the design of the characters which you type is called. The right answer is C, font. Next, bold and italics are. So here are 4 options and you have to take option C, font style. I hope all you are feeling very comfortable with all these, because this exercise is very easy to all of you. So come to the next, that is fourth one. Fourth statement is: how many types of alignment are there in Word? So it is also very easy. All you know very well. There are 4 types of alignment. So the right answer is D. And that is right alignment, left alignment, center and justified. Fifth statement is: alignment options are found under this tab and group. All you know very well, from where you can change the alignment. The alignment option is found in home tab and paragraph group, and there are 4 types of alignment present in this group: right, left, certified, center and justified. So the correct option is D. Now the next statement is: when the text is aligned along the left as well as the right margin, it is called. You all know very well what is the right answer. When on both sides of text equal margin is left, it is known as a justified alignment. So all you can take on the D option, that is justified. Is it clear to all of you? The right answer is option D, justified. And the next statement is: bullets and numberings are under this tab and group. So all you are aware about this, where bullet and numbering option is available. That is also home ribbon and paragraph group. So the right answer will be home, paragraph, and the correct option is C. So now part A is completed. All you have to revise all this. Now we come to the next section, that is fill in the blanks. B part. Here are some of the options is already given to you. From these options, you have to choose the right one and just fill in the respective statement. So first one is, by changing this, the text can be made bigger or smaller in size as required. So what this feature is known as? The right answer is font size. Using font size, you can make your text bigger or smaller in size as required. You can make the size of font till 72 or more than 72. It's totally up to you how many big or how much small you want your font to be. The next statement is, in a list the ordering of item is important. All you know very well, bullets are of same types in a bulleted list, but in a numbered list numbers are always placed in ascending order. So if a list to be in order, the numbered list would be preferred. So the right answer is numbered. You have to fill this option in the fill ups. Now comes to the third statement. Here it is given that B inside the rectangle closed within parenthesis button represents the style. So what this D represents? All you can very easily recognize this, that it stands for bold. Your text will be bold if you will click on this button. Have you all done? So now we will move to the next question. That is, the I inside a rectangle closed within parenthesis button represents the style. Which style it represents? This button. The italic style will be represented by this button. So you have to fill italic. Now the next statement is, the four lines inside a rectangle closed within parenthesis button represents the alignment button. Which alignment button it is? If all the lines are starting and ending on same position, what type of alignment is? Justified. You just have to fill justified option in this statement. Now the last one is, the bigger the font size, the text size. So all you know very well, if you increase the size of the font, what will happen? Your text will get larger than before. So the right option is larger. The bigger the font size, the larger the text size. So this question is also done. Now we will move to the C part of your exercise, that is true or false. So just turn the page 28. Here at the top, number 1 statement of true false is, by changing the font style, you can make the text bold, italic or underlined. Is it true or false? How many styles are present in font? Definitely all you know very well, bold, italic or underlined. So this statement is true. So just write a T in front of this statement and come to the next statement, that is, the B inside a rectangle closed within a parenthesis button represents the bold style. Now comes to the next statement, the B button represents the bold style. That is also true. If you want to make your text bold, you just have to click on this button and your text will look a little bit thick or bigger. Now the next statement is, the U button represents the italic style. Is it right or wrong? Next one is, a numbered list is used when the numbering of the items is important. This is fourth statement. So tell me, is it right, true or false? Definitely the answer is true. If you want to make a list of some steps or items, that should be in proper order, because if some steps are not in order, the things will get difficult. So to make a proper list in order, we must use a numbered list. So the right thing is T. Now comes to the next statement, that is this button is used to create a numbered list. All you have seen the icon for numbered list. This is not the numbered list item. So fifth one is also false. Now sixth is the button represents the left alignment. You all know very well this is not the left alignment. Oh sorry, this is the left alignment. So the answer is true. And seventh button represents the right alignment. No, this is a center alignment. So the answer is false. You have to place a F in front of this statement. So now the sixth part is also completed. If A, B, C and D all of you have done, then we will move to the next part, that is D. You have to answer the questions. Just copy down the question from your book and I am providing the answer here on this screen. So just write the answer and in neat and clean language very. So the answer, first question is, what is the design of the characters that you type known as? So the right answer is, the design of the character that you type is known as font. So all of you just do your work neat and clean. Take your time, but it should be clean. Next question is, which group contain font size and paragraph alignment respectively? So the right answer is font size you can find in font group and paragraph alignment you can find it in paragraph group. So do your work neatly, take your time and spellings should be correct. The right answer is font size is in the font group and paragraph alignment is in the paragraph group. Next question is, which alignment used to align tabs evenly along the left as well as right margin? So the right answer is, we will use justified alignment to align the typed text evenly along with the left as well as the right margin. Take your time and do your work neat and clean. You can watch the video. If any answer is left, you can watch the video again. But make your work complete and prepare well for your exams that are shifted on. So it's all for today. Now, thank you and best of luck for your exams.